Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix problem when you get internet connection but you cannot browse Google Chrome or use your Google Play Store on your Xiaomi 12. So in order to do that, we'll need to go to our settings, scroll all the way down and find additional settings. Now here go to date and time and enable set time automatically like that. Now if we go back and open our Google Chrome, reload the page, it should load properly. And the same as with our Google Play Store. Now we can open any app and install it normally. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.